Hi everyone, welcome back to Mathics. Today I'm gonna teach you the Pythagorean Theorem and also show you a simple proof for it. In a right triangle, if we know two sides and a third one is missing, we can use the formula a squared plus b squared equals c squared to find it. In this example, a equals 3 and b equals 4. With this equation, we can find the hypotenuse, or c. The hypotenuse is the side opposite the 90-degree angle, and it is always the longest side in a right triangle. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared. That means 9 plus 16 equals c squared, so c squared equals 25. Taking the square root gives c equals plus or minus 5, but in geometry we only consider the positive value, so c equals 5. This is called the Pythagorean Theorem. It shows the relationship between the sides of a right triangle. But how do we prove this? Let's see a geometric proof. We arrange 4 right triangles inside a square. The empty space in the middle forms another square with side C. Why? Because the other two angles of each triangle add up to 90 degrees. Since the total of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees and one angle is already 90, the remaining angle must be 90 degrees. That's why the middle shape is a square. The large square has side a plus b, so its area is a plus b squared. And the small square in the middle has side c, so its area is c squared. Each triangle has an area of base times height divided by 2. Since we have 4 triangles, we multiply it by 4, which gives 2. Therefore, we can say, the area of the large square equals the sum of the areas of the 4 triangles and the small square. We know that a plus b squared equals a squared plus 2 times a times b plus b squared. Then we cross out 2 times a times b from both sides. What's left is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and that's the Pythagorean theorem. Here's another example. Try to solve it while you pause the video. In this example, we know the hypotenuse and one side of the triangle, and the other side is missing. We use the Pythagorean theorem. The sum of the squares of the two legs equals the square of the hypotenuse. So, it means x squared plus the square of the other side, which is the square root of 11, equals 6 squared. Then, x squared plus 11 equals 36. After subtracting 11 from both sides, we get x squared equals 25. At the end, x equals 5. Notice that -5 is not acceptable in geometry. Try with other numbers and see if you get it right. If this was helpful, please like. And if you love math tricks and tutorials, subscribe and follow Mathics for more.